Hey Grade 3, in Understanding 2 we're going to be learning about partitioning, and we need to use some of those mental addition facts that you learnt in Understanding 1 to be able to do partitioning. Partitioning means to divide a number up into its parts, just like the word means, partitioning. So with partitioning in Grade 3, we need to know how to partition 4-digit numbers. So 4-digit numbers have ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Let's partition the number 1732. It's going to have, in the thousands column, we will have 1,000. In the hundreds column, we have 700. In the tens column, we have 30. And in the ones column, we have 2. I have just partitioned that number. So here I have an algorithm. Now an algorithm is just a number sum. It's the steps that I take to work out the solution to a sum. Now I'm going to work this sum out using partitioning. So here we go. In the thousands column of this first number, just here, I have 1,000. Plus, in the next number, my thousands column here, is 5,000. Now, that's a count-on strategy. 5,000 plus 1,000, I just have to put the 5 in my head because it's the biggest number and add on the 1 with the zeros on the end. So 5,000 plus 1,000 equals 6,000. Okay, let's go to the hundreds column. The hundreds column in this number is 700. Plus, in the next number, it's 200. That's another count-on strategy. Put the biggest number in my head, the 700, plus the 200, 700, 800, 900. Now let's go to the tens column. The tens column here, I have 30. And the tens column over here, I have 40. Now I could use doubles plus 1 for that one. I know that double 3 is 6, but I've got one more. I've got 4 here, so that must be 7, so 70. 30 plus 40 is 70. Now I go to my ones column. 2 in that number, and 1 in this number. 2 plus 1, now that's easy, that's counting on for sure. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now I just need to add up all these numbers down the side here. So 6,973 is the answer to my algorithm. I'll write it up here, 6,973. We have just used partitioning to work out an algorithm with 4 digits in each number. Well done, boys and girls. Now it's time to practice using our addition strategies when we're partitioning and adding big numbers together. So our first strategy was called counting on, where you put the biggest number in your head and count on the smaller number. We also have our rainbow facts, or our friends of 10. So looking for the numbers that are partners together to make 10. Because any number, if you can make it to 10, it's easy to add together. We also have our double facts, so hopefully you all should know your double facts by now. And we have bridging to 10. Next we're going to partition this number and add them together. What I want you to do now is have a look for any of these rainbow facts, the rainbow facts, double facts, counting on or bridging to 10 strategies in these numbers. Let's have a look at the hundreds first. There's a 4 there and a 6 there. A 4 and a 6. Does your brain start thinking of a strategy that you could use to add 4 and 6 together? Hopefully you're thinking of the rainbow facts. 4 and 6 make 10. Let's have a look at the hundreds now. 3 and 3. 3 and 3. That is a double fact. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Let's have a look at the ones column. We have a 1 and a 2. I'm thinking we could use the count on strategy for that number. Put the biggest number in our head, 2, and count on the smallest number. 2 and 1 more makes 3. So let's look at that number again. 431 plus 632. That's my algorithm, and I'm going to partition it to add them together. But I'm also going to be looking for my mental addition strategies to help me along the way. So in the hundreds column here, I had a 4 and a 6. Now we said a 4 and a 6 was a rainbow fact. So 400 plus 600, rainbow facts are to 10, so that is 1000. And another way to say 1000 is 1000. Now let's go to the tens column. A 3 and a 3. Now a 3 and a 3, your mind should be thinking doubles. So in the tens column I've got a 30, and in the tens column over here I've got a 30. Now I can see that 3 and the 3 together is a doubles fact, and that equals 60. Now I go to the ones column. I have a 1 and I have a 2. Now 1 plus 2 was a count on strategy. So 2 in my head is the biggest number. 2 and 1 more is 3. So now I know that my answer is 1063. So I have just partitioned my algorithm and used my addition facts to help me work the numbers out.